In the previous video, we interfaced the push button with the Arduino. I think you all have seen that video also. It's a continuous video. If you missed any of the episodes, it will be a bit difficult to understand. Okay, try to watch every video. Okay, here I have shown you the circuit diagram for interfacing the LCD and the push button with the Arduino. Okay, I have already explained you about the circuit in the previous videos, so you can refer that videos for understanding the circuit diagram in better way. Okay, now we are moving on to the software side. Okay, now we can go through the program. I've already done video on Arduino interface with LCD and Arduino interface with the push button. Okay, here I am going to club that two programs. Okay, now we can look into the program. Initially I added the header file for LCD and timer. Then I initialized the pins for LCD. Then I initialized the pins for the push button, and here are some variables. Then I initialized the timer interrupt, and the timer interrupt is set for 1 second. Every 1 second the timer interrupt will occur. Here I used DDR-D. DDR means data direct register. The push buttons we are connected to the port D of the Arduino. So by setting DDR-D, we can set the pin as input or output. By using the port register, we can set the pins of the port either high or low. So here by using the port register, I set the push button pins as high. Okay, then I initialized the LCD and then I set the cursor. After that I print a message on the LCD. Here this is a main loop. Before that we are going to the timer interrupt. Okay, here you can see pin register. Pin register will read the status of the input pins. Here we are reading the pins of the D port, so I assign it as pin D. So whatever value comes in the pin will assign to the key is. Then it will check the condition. After that it will comes into the loop, and when a key is pressed, then the key detect variable becomes high. When a key detect variable becomes high, then it's directly goes to the main loop, and the condition is satisfied. Key detect is equal to 1. Then it will enter into the loop, and here you can see we are calling a function scan key. Then it will go to scan key register. After that it will be the key detect variable will reset. Then it will directly goes to the scan key function. Here it will check which key is pressed, and according to the key the message will be displayed on the LCD. If the set key is pressed, then the message will be displayed as set key. If it's up key, then the message will be displayed as up key. If there is key is down button is pressed, then it will be LCD message will show down key. If it is enter key, then the message will be shown as enter key. Okay, likewise the program work. It's nothing rocket science. It's a very simple program. It's very easy to understand. Okay, now we have to upload this program to the Arduino, and we have to check the output. Okay, I am going to now I am going to power up the Arduino. Okay, the message I have written in the software is showing perfectly. Now we have to check the push buttons. Okay, push buttons are working properly. Okay, the messages are showing according the push buttons are pressed. It's properly working. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.